Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing an art journal page where I've used watercolors and the Dreamcatcher stamp from Rubber Dance. I'm using their Arteza watercolors again and I'm working on a gesso surface. I think this technique is a nice way to break a blank page if you have no idea how to start with, and you always get some nice effects. After the watercolors are dry, I go in with white acrylic paint to add some white space. Some of the watercolors will blend into the white paint, and I like this effect because it's not such an extremely contrast between the fore and the background. I'm using some of the Rubber Dance round and circle stamps to create kind of a frame. And as always, here they are, my white splatters. I'm using a mixture of white acrylic paint, fluid medium and water to create this liquid acrylic ink. I'm doing the same with this dark red. I've stamped the rubber dance Dreamcatcher onto a piece of tissue paper and I glue it down with matte medium. If you have some rubber dance stamps and you like to play in their monthly challenge, you can join the Rubber Dance Stamping Lounge on Facebook. It's a nice and friendly group where the design team shares inspiration and where you can share your work with rubber dance stamps. I wanted to add some gold stars to my page with gilding flakes, and I'm using the Cosmic Shimmer glitter glue and apply it through a stencil with a sponge. This glue doesn't dry completely, it dries tacky, and you can add any kind of glitter or foil to it. It's a little bit hard to find the stars on this page. I want to create more depth on the page, so I'm using the Dreamcatcher stamp again with the plum ink I've used for the circles and stamp it randomly to my page. There also come some separate feathers with the Dreamcatcher stamp set, and I stamp them to make my Dreamcatcher a little more bigger. For the sentiment, I'm using also a stamp from Rubber Dance, and I stamp it also to tissue paper. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Please consider subscribing and give my video a thumb up. I hope we see us next time. Bye!